Welcome, in front of me is a VCO View 3, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the Hi There screen, where you get to select your language. So I will be obviously sticking with English, but you can select any language from the list. And from there, tap on Start. Now, next page, we have the insert of a SIM card option. Now, this is completely optional and you can do that if you want to. If you don't, just don't bother. The moment you insert your SIM card, the phone will automatically read it and you don't really need to do anything extra. It just works. That's about it. So I'm going to skip it for now. And next page is the Wi-Fi connection. So if you want, you can connect to your Wi-Fi if you have one that you actually can connect to right now. If you don't, you can again skip this. Later on, once the setup is complete, you can still connect to it through settings. By skipping it right now, we will lose the one step in the setup process, which is the Google account. If you connect to Wi-Fi, it pops up with an option for you to log into Google, and also date and time is being set automatically. And if you skip it, it skips the Google account, but also gives you the time and date for you to check if it's correct. So there's the date and time, which I was saying. So you can fix it if it's incorrect, disregard it if you don't care because you're going to connect to Wi-Fi later on. So I'm going to go to the next page. And we have Google Services. So we have things like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now we can read exactly what these do by tapping on this arrow and expanding this entire list right here. But the short version of it is location is just GPS tracking. Scanning allows the phone or applications to use Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth signals to scan for devices around, and then sending user and diagnostic data, kind of self-explanatory, gathers data and sends it to Google. Now if you don't want these, you can simply disable them, and from there scroll down and tap on accept, and this will take you to the next page where we can set up some kind of screen protection. Now by default it looks like it's trying to force us to add a fingerprint, but by doing so, as you will see, it also opts into PIN, pattern, or password. Now you can pick which one you want. If you only want a screen lock and no fingerprint, you can just pick one of these and skip the fingerprint. So you do it like so. Now right here, once you pick one of them, it asks us for a secure startup. Personally, I will be picking no. I don't like it. What it does is when the device is completely turned off, when you hold the power key and select power off option, or just the battery dies, when you boot it back up, the secure startup will basically stop the device from booting up fully, pop you up with your screen lock, so you will need to confirm it, and once you do, it will boot up the device to the end, so to your lock screen, and from there, to get access to your home screen or whatever, you still need to put your PIN, pattern, password once again. So it's just annoying. That's all it is. So that's why I'm sticking with no. And from here we can draw our pattern because that's what I picked. So draw it, tap on next, redraw the same pattern once more, confirm, and there we go, that's the pattern set. Now here we can automatically start scanning our fingerprint on the back sensor, or we can simply skip it, and this will just keep the pattern but not set up a fingerprint. Then we have some VCO trash. We can log into their account, or we can just press on next and completely disregard it because it doesn't seem like it brings any kind of value to it. So skip again. VCO Services, so we have some more services, this time from VCO. And there we go, once you choose one of those options, you will get access to your home screen. And that is the end of the setup. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.